Hello guys, this is the part 2 of our HTML tutorials. So for today, we will going to tackle the style HTML. As you can see on my screen, this is the default format of HTML. For the content, title, style HTML. And then for the each one, we just going to put the header 1. And then for the body, before we proceed, we were going to separate that using the HR or horizontal line. And then as you can see, as follow, we are going to do the following tags. To show you on how the style works, I'm going to use the paragraph 1 and paragraph 2 for demonstration. So now I'm going to show you the default or the printed text only on the website. So let's just put paragraph 2 and then refresh the browser to see the normal output. And then now we will proceed to the style or to style our website. So first, we were going to use or to do the font color. So copy the paragraph and then paste it under the font color tag. By the default, so it will be the tag or tag name and then followed by the style is equals to the property of the tag or style and then the value. So on this case, we're just going to put the p tag and then style is equals to what is the property, which is the color, and then the value of color we want. Same as paragraph 2, tag name p, style is equals to color property and then the value of color. And then after that, we will going to refresh the browser to see the changes. As you can see, the font color change. Okay, now let's proceed to the font family. Just copy paste the paragraph 1 and 2 again and then refresh the browser for us to see the normal font. Okay, as you can see, the paragraph is still on the normal font. So we're going to use the style again and then the property we want to change. So for this one, we're going to change the family or the font family of the paragraph. Then is equal to what font? For this case, Verdana. And then next on the paragraph 2, same as before, tag name and then style is equals to the property, which is the font family, and then the value. So first on the paragraph 2, let's use the Times New Roman and then refresh the browser to see the changes. Since the Times New Roman is same as the default, we can just use the Courier to see the changes. As you can see, it changes the font of our paragraph. Next, we will going to proceed to the font size tag. Copy paste again the paragraph 1 and 2. And then now we were going to use the font size property. So all we have to do is to change the property and the value. In this case, font dash size and then the value, which is the 300%. And then next, we're going to use the font size again, and then we need to change the value to see the difference of the sizes. So in this case, we're going to use the 150 first on the second paragraph and then refresh the browser to see the changes. And then let's change again the paragraph 2 into 200 px or pixel. We'll change this into 200% to change the pixel of the paragraph on the website. So refresh and then that's it. So now let's proceed to the text alignment. Again, the text alignment, just copy paste the paragraph 1 and 2 and then we're going to add paragraph 3 for the 3 columns or 3 alignment of our paragraph. So first, we're going to change the attributes or the property into text align and then the value center. And then next, we will proceed to the second paragraph, text align, and then we're just going to put the left alignment. And then next, we need to add one more paragraph for the right alignment. So we're just going to change the value. So again, align and then change the value into right. And then the display value, which is the paragraph 3. Save it and then refresh the browser. As you can see. But let's differentiate the output on the code. Center, left, and then right. To check if it's correct on the alignment tag. Save and then refresh again. As you can see, paragraph 1 is in the center, paragraph 3 is in the right, and then paragraph 2 to the left. So let's proceed to the background color tag. On the background color tag, we're going to use the default paragraph. So copy the default paragraph to see the difference. Same as before, the default style tag. So this is the default, and then the style tag is the tag name, and then the style is equal to quotation mark, which is the property. So for this one, we can use the background or background color, and then the value we want to change. So for this one, I'm going to use the goldenrod to change the background of the paragraph 1. And then next, style again is equals to the property background color, and the value for this powder blue. And then we're going to save and then refresh the browser. Oops, on the paragraph 1, we need to put the terminator as always, and then check on the browser. As you can see, the paragraph 1 and 2 changes. So if you want to change the whole body or content of your website, all you have to do is to put the style inside the body. So for this one, background color is equals to light salmon. And then don't forget to put the style is equals to, because that is the default tag for style. And then we need to save to execute the changes. So refresh, and then as you can see, it changed the whole color of our website. And if you wish to execute two property in one tag, all you have to do is to put the style is equals to, like for example, property of background color, and then the value. Refresh the browser to check, and then as you can see, it's executed. And then after the terminator, we just have to put the property again, and then the value, text align, and then center, and then terminator, and then refresh the browser. As you can see, it changes. And then add more, which is the color, and then the value, again terminator, save and refresh. As you can see, it's in black, and then once we refresh, the color change. Then one more thing on the font size, property, and then the value. For this, let's see 650%, and then let's see how big it is. So header, then it changes into 650% of the font size. It will work on the different tag. For example, in this paragraph, if you wish to change the font or the alignment, you just have to put the additional property inside and after the terminator. So on this paragraph, text alignment, and then let's align this to the center, save, and then refresh. As you can see, it's aligned to the center. This is all for today. Thank you.